So guess what, folks? Today is jerk pork day. Yes, I get a piece of jerk pork and me and the wife here go cook it. So watch what I go on now. You have to stick and stay because guess what? The grill is going. Everything is ready. Pork time. Remember showing what really happened around here. So here we have our Ninja grill and it is set on preheat mode. And we are getting ready. All we need now is for it to hot up the right level, the right temperature, and then we're going to put in with pork. Over here we have the pork, guys. Look what guanya sauce already marinated from yesterday, about midday or so it marination and 24 hours. And why not the pork? See, what did you put in this marinade?
I added store-bought jerk seasoning and then I made my own green seasoning blend, scallion, onion, thyme, garlic and pimento, and then I added a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder.
And guys, it look good, it look nice and scrumptious, and I can't wait for it to be jerked. Let's go. Remember me tell you. And there it says add food, guys. It just deep a while ago. So food I got add right now. Remember me tell you. There is the pork. Add in the pork. Simple and easy. More pork. Add in the pork. Let's go. Let's see if we can put all of them in there today. Remember me tell you. Woohoo! Watch them on. Guys, look how simple. And this is not a paid endorsement for Ninja Grill, but look what I go on here so now. Ready to go. It's on high and it's gonna go for 9 minutes and counting. Well, 10 minutes and counting. Let's go. Alright, so
Wait.
now it's almost flip it. Wow.
I was trying to show the flip.
It never depends, it's just the medium. Look there, guys, this is like 5 minutes after, you know. And look, it's a flip already. Just 5 minutes after. It's a flip already. Guys, not tell you that the Ninja Grill make the jerking so fast and quick and easy. You understand? Alright, so now that it has been flipped, let's go back for the next 5 minutes. Let's go.
Alright, so after the 5 minutes, the other 5 minutes pass, this is how it looks. I think we can put it back again because these are thick chunks of pork. So we're gonna put it for starting another 5 minutes and then we go from there. We're not trying to overcook it because you don't want it to get too dry, right? So flipping it again and then put it for another 5 minutes and then see what happens after that. Jerk chicken chronicles. I mean jerk pork chronicles. Guys, I think we are done. This is how the jerk pork is looking. Isn't that looking amazing? Amazing. So the next step is to chop her up, and I'm gonna see if I can make a little bit of a dressing or a sauce, a jerk sauce, so we can have it with that, and we will show you guys the finished plate. Alright guys, so we're all done. Now we're chopping him up real jerk pan style.
It's a jerk pan style.
Real Friday evening style.
Trust me. Gotcha, guys. Nice and very juicy. Yeah, see there, and the bone them look, bone around the bone look nice. Watch me. So there we have it all chopped up, and we have some jerk seasoning here. And we just got jerk sauce, sorry. We just got drizzle. some nice spicy jerk sauce all over it. Yeah, we not overdo it. We just put it in small increments. Yeah. So there it is, guys, with jerk seasoned pork. Sorry, jerked pork with nice sauce and everything. Yeah, look there. Look there. That look good.
Orange jerk sauce.
Orange marmalade, jerk sauce, barbecue, ketchup, everything.